We're making Moros y Cristianos, a classic Cuban dish of tender black beans and rice, simmered together for a delicious side dish or main meal. First, let's get those beans going. Rinse and pick over a bag of dried black beans. Soak for approximately 2.5 hours. Drain, then add them back with 5 cups of fresh water and a whole green pepper for flavor. Set your pressure cooker for 12 minutes and let it naturally release for 15 minutes. When you open the pot, the beans should be tender but not mushy. They should be soft enough to bite, but still hold their shape. If they need a little more time, just cook a couple of minutes longer. Reserve some beans and liquid. Set those aside and grab a big pot or deep pan. Heat olive oil or vegan butter, then add garlic, diced onion, and bell pepper. This sofrito is the flavor base of the dish. Add a bay leaf and a pinch or two of salt, and let everything soften for about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the rice and toast it for about 2 minutes in the sofrito. Then add the reserved beans and liquid, plus cumin, oregano, and more salt. Bring it all to a boil, then reduce to low, cover tightly, and simmer for about 25 minutes until the rice is tender and the liquid absorbed. When it's done, keep the lid on for 10 minutes, then fluff with a fork. Remove the bay leaf, garnish with fresh parsley, and if you're feeling you want a bit more brightness, add a squeeze of lime or lemon. Serve it hot with fried plantains and avocado for the full Cuban vibe. Visit Nuts and Twigs for all the details.